So we broke this tablet. You can already see. Can they see it that good?
Yeah.
So we're going to be trying this outside so it can finally actually. So let's go out. Teensy bit. Here, hold the door, Titi. So watch on the ground. No, I'm gonna try. So it didn't break at all. One sec, back up. Okay, bro.
It's shattered.
Let's go outside.
It's shattered. Oh, God. It's a look at it.
Not break at all.
This is the real hard.
So, Cody, keep taking a video or you're not taking a video? So you don't have to turn the light on anymore, but see, look what's inside.
Oh my God.
It's beautiful. It's a piece of art. It is.
Stop saying everything's a piece of art.
It is. So yeah.
Stop saying
so here it is. So here it is. It's not fake. This is actually real, guys. I'm serious. I said that. Now everybody's probably gonna think it's fake. So this must be something that helps the touching. I don't know. I don't give a really crap. Either. So I'm just gonna take everything off of this because I don't know what it's for. I don't really give a crap, like I said. Taking everything off to reveal the real thing. This is hard.
I feel like it's gonna electrocute you.
I know, right? I'm so freaking scared. Get these wires off.
Showing I wouldn't help you.
No. Someone find scissors because I don't want to be electrocuted.
Knife. So why'd you do it?
Because I want to get. I don't really know. I'm picking the
You were just gonna say because I want to get electrocuted.
I want to get electrocuted. You still taking a video? It's gonna.
I feel like you're gonna get electrocuted right now.
Me too. Okay.
You have to take that off to open that.
This?
No, you have to take this tape off. That tape off.
Oh, true. We're gonna put that on YouTube, right?
Yeah.